Roblox just dropped a wave of brand new emotes, and here's how you can unlock every single one without wasting time. Stick with me until the end because I'll show you the sneaky spot most people don't check. Step 1. Head into the avatar shop and filter for emotes. Roblox lists all the newest releases here, and the best part is a bunch of them are completely free. Add them to your inventory instantly with one click. Step 2. Keep an eye on event hubs. Roblox regularly hides exclusive emotes inside sponsored events like concerts or limited time games. These usually vanish once the event ends. So if you want them all, you need to claim fast. Step 3. Don't forget about codes and bundles. Roblox sometimes ties emotes to promo codes or avatar bundles. You'll often see them appear in dev blogs or through official collabs. So checking Roblox's socials can land you emotes no one else around you has. If this worked for you or you discovered an emote I didn't mention, drop it in the comments so everyone else can grab it too. Here's a tip. If you're stacking up free emotes right now, hit that like and sub so I can keep bringing you the newest codes, bundles, and hidden drops the second they release. Now, go flex those fresh moves in Roblox.